First, we revolutionized digital dentistry by bringing you industry-leading print quality with our 3D printers. Now, we're pushing the boundaries of what you can do with our 3D printers by bringing you the tools you need to scale your business. Introducing the Formlabs Dental Automation Ecosystem, hardware, software, and material streamlining tools that transform your 3D printers into autonomous fleets for 24/7 dental part production made easy. Together, Form Auto, Fleet Control, and our High Volume Resin System maximize throughput while minimizing labor and costs, so you can produce up to 3 times more dental parts in-house in one daily shift, for as many as 1,200 parts a week with one printer, or over 1,400 parts a day with an 8-printer fleet. Instantly automate production with Form Auto, an extension of your 3D printer that enables non-stop throughput without interaction, reducing cost per part with labor savings of up to 80%. Enabled by our patented quick-release technology, Form Auto seamlessly removes parts from Build Platform 2 and starts the next print, so production doesn't have to stop when you leave work. Scale and align your business with Fleet Control, advanced new features within Formlabs dashboard management software that equip your team with the agility to use shared printer groups from anywhere. Leverage a centralized queue that automatically sends your prints to the right printers at the right time, boosting productivity across your whole fleet. Cut down on labor and waste with our High Volume Resin System. At 5 times the capacity of a standard cartridge, you can print with 80% fewer interactions, 96% less packaging, and a lot more productivity. No matter the size of your office or lab, the Formlabs Dental Automation Ecosystem scales with you, so you can build your business on a workflow as powerful but personalized as your end product. Formlabs Dental, dentistry made easier.